Hello viewers, in this video we will discussing about the Python web scraping tutorial. So let's see two libraries, request and BeautifulSoup. Actually we are doing some scraping from website, get the source from website and locally get our system. So I have one website of our FIP portal which we release as soon as possible. So you can see the I think here you can see the FIB portal and our FIB portal almost ready for the projects. It's free, not the charges. So you can see the simple our script. First script is the we get the title and header. We are putting our source FIP, Pyresearch FIP source. Second, our images. We get the data, our images. You can see it. So let's start. First of all, here two libraries, request and BeautifulSoup. Request is hit the URL, get data and get response. It is very easy method for the request. Okay, then BeautifulSoup, he will extract the data from the HTML, XML. So you can see one here is the R mention the get request. You also get the response, print, get, simply you okay, you get the response of the URL. Then you see the HTML title and the title name, and you can see the name of the parent tag. So let's start. Here I am already in my document folder, so you can see cd documenting desktop folder. Okay, web scraping. You can see the two files, web and images. First we test in web scraping underscore final. You get data FIP portal title header. Okay, you can see the title FIP. Okay, and we are going to our second images data. So let's start. Here also you can see the two libraries. Here mention the URL, one URL. Here the images list. You can see the get src folder where to put images. You can see and get the images. Also print the list of the images. Okay, Python web underscore images.py. You get the list. You get the all list of the. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.